GoDaddy versus Wix versus Squarespace for website building, which is better? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I will compare three of the best platforms when it comes to website builders. I will share with you their pricings, features, and which of these platforms more easier and faster, and trying to help you decide which website builder best for you. So before we jump into our particular topic today, let me share some quick information first about hosting. If you want to build a website, you must be familiar of the web hosting and how hosting help you build a good website. So GoDaddy does offer dedicated hosting with cPanel that supports over 125 apps, including WordPress and their own website builder. Besides GoDaddy, the other platform or companies, they don't offer dedicated hosting and you're limited to their respective website builders. In other words, if you are looking for a website hosting company to upload your website, to, for example, Wix and Squarespace are not the right choices. So Wix and Squarespace are website builders, while GoDaddy is not just a website builder, but they also offer other kind of services. So GoDaddy is one of the world's most popular domain and website marketplaces. One of the main key differences between this company and the other two is that it has branched out into almost every category of website development. Basically, GoDaddy is a one-stop shop for everything related to build an online business. Like for example, from domain name marketplace, domain registrar, web hosting, dedicated server, website builders, online store tools, website design, logo design, email management, and more. It's all inside the GoDaddy platform. So, unlike GoDaddy, Wix focuses on one goal, making it as easy as possible for people to create a simple website in a matter of minutes. So, Wix seems like they have reached the goal of providing easy to use website builder and also a fast website builder because in 2018 they won an award for best website builder software. Their core feature is a website builder called the Wix Editor, which is a drag and drop based with a wide variety of templates that you can choose from. Although they offer website hosting, it's built around their website builder, and you can't use any other software. So Wix is one of the most popular website solution for small mom and pop businesses, mainly designed for people that want to get a website up as quickly as possible. So now let's compare it to Squarespace. So Squarespace is a quite similar to Wix as their core feature is a website builder. And they make it really easy for anyone to create a simple website. Their slogan is look like an expert right from the start. One way Squarespace claims to be different from Wix is they design professional templates designed specifically for bloggers with a few extra tools thrown in to create more professional and premium experience. As you might imagine, Squarespace costs a little bit more than Wix. So again, Squarespace, they have a professional, good-looking design than Wix. So now that you have a general idea of what these companies offer, let's quickly compare some of their other features as well. But before that, just a quick note that these three platforms offer free plan. However, with their free plan, you'll have a subdomain. A subdomain is essentially an extension of the main website. For example, your website name .godaddy sites or .wix or .squarespace.com. So that's your subdomain. Having this subdomain isn't a great idea because it doesn't give off the impression that you're actually serious about your business. It's also not the best for search engine optimization. In short, it's much more beneficial to connect a domain to your website, which each of these companies allow you to do for an extra price, of course. All three platforms has their own drag and drop features for their users to easily create their own website design. Squarespace has a good drag and drop tool where you can use, plus you can also separate the design for your mobile view as well, which I love. But the only thing I don't like about Squarespace editor is that when you go inside the editor, the menu bar from the left side will not be accessible. Like, for example, if you add pages or you go to your settings, you need to first go to save your design and exit from the editor to access the left menu bar. Wix is much better since they have all their menu available even you are inside the editor editing your website. Now let's check SSL certificate to make sure your website's secure and well protected. The good news is all of these website builders on the list, GoDaddy, Wix, and Squarespace, include free SSL certificates on all their paid plans, even the cheapest ones. So when it comes to pricing, Wix is also the cheapest compared to these two other platforms, the GoDaddy and Squarespace. So here are the different pricing. So this is for the GoDaddy pricing plan, as you can see here. So they have the $9 or the $10 per month. And the highest plan is the e-commerce plan for $24.99 per month, or you can say $30 per month. So when you go to pricing for Wix, you can see here that the cheapest plan is the $4.50 per month. And this is only for the website plans. And they have the highest plan for website plans, the VIP for $24.50. But for business and e-commerce plans, you can just click here and you can see that they have a different plan here for business and e-commerce. It starts from $17 per month and up to $35 per month. So same with Squarespace, as you can see here. They also have for personal for $16 up to $49 per month for the advanced or for e-commerce. So these are the different plans for the three platforms. But if you think your website will grow big in the future, it's better that you choose GoDaddy. It's quite expensive, but in the long run, it's worth it than these two other platforms. They have limitations. So if you grow big in the future, it required you to use other website builder if you will be using Wix and Squarespace, and you can't move your design from Wix and Squarespace to other platforms. So if you want to make use of the other platforms for your big business, you will start from the scratch. And when it comes to customer support, Wix wins because Wix has a more efficient customer service than the two other platforms. So you're probably wondering which of these companies are the best. I admit most of them offer similar services and features. In my opinion, the winner out of these three is Wix. Not only they offer cheap website plans, but their website builder is flexible and their customer support service is great. So if you own a small business and you look for a website builder that you can use or try on, then I recommend Wix. So I hope that you learned something from this video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you so much for watching.